Good afternoon, everyone. A nice afternoon. Hopefully you had your nap. All right, I think it's time for us to get started with our day. So let's do the first thing. What should we do? We always wash our hands, right? All right. Squirt. Wipe. All right, our hands are clean. What about your teeth? Did you brush your teeth? Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard, and not a discouraging one. Do you guys like Super Smash Brothers? Kirby and Mario? Haha. Playing harmonica is really fun, but you have to brush your teeth first. Because you have to blow and suck. And if this is dirty, then all the dirt is going to go in and out of your... Hi! It's a Little Jordan here. Are you ready to read? I am. Let's get ready! All right, are you ready? Let's read together with Little Jordan. But wait. But we must wait. I am done waiting. I do not think your surprise is worth all this waiting. Boing boing. Huh? I will not wait anymore. Huh? Okay, I will wait some more. It will be worth it. Peggy! We have waited too long. What? It is getting dark. It is getting darker. Soon we will not be able to see each other. You see, Gerald is so worried. He wants to see the surprise. Remember what we said about see? Yeah, Rexy, they remember. See with their eyes. Very good. Soon we will not be able to see anything. Hmm? We have wasted the whole day. Well, remember the other day we learned about emotions? Emotions like happy and sad and angry and jealous and scared and many more. Confused? Which one is Gerald right now? Gerald is very good. Oh, there's still a couple more. Come on. Yes, everyone. Good job. Angry. And then we have Piggy. Piggy right here. Piggy, how does Piggy feel? Happy? Sad? Confused? I don't know. We have waited and waited and waited and waited. I think Piggy is now confused and surprised. Oh. And for what? Why? For that. Huh? That? Where? Where? Huh? Up there? What is up? What are they looking at? What can they see? Oh my goodness, look at that! It's beautiful! Can you see the night sky? Actually, can I talk for a second, little Jordan? Of course, you can talk. Oh, hey everyone. You know, where I come from, there's not many people. Maybe only 2,000 people in my town. And around me, maybe only, maybe a few hundred people near where I live. Not many. And so every night we can see this. And then I like to go out to the farm. My family has a big farm where they grow corn, they grow cotton, they grow tobacco, many different crops. Anyway, and when we go out to the farm, there's just trees and animals. There's no people, just my family. No neighbors. You can see a long way and there's no neighbors, and you can see perfectly. You can see these beautiful stars. Everything is just star, cloud, star, just everything is like this. In the city, like Taipei, maybe you cannot see very well. But where I come from, it's so beautiful. Maybe you should visit. Thank you, Big Jordan. Alright, little Jordan here. Can you see? Gerald is so what? He is surprised. Everyone say surprised. Very good. Again, surprised. One more time. Surprised. Exactly. And of course, we know this one. Piggy is, yes, happy. Piggy is very happy. This was worth the wait. Worth the wait. Everyone together, say with me, wait. One more time, say wait. Very good. Tomorrow morning, I want to show you the sunrise. I cannot wait. Sunrise? Sunrise means good morning. Sunrise is when the sun goes like this. Big Jordan, can you help me? Of course I'll help you. All right, everyone. Sunrise is when the sun goes. Yeah. You can sometimes also call it sun up. Sun up and sun down, sunrise and sundown. I don't think there's a sun. Yeah, it's just sundown. So sun up, sundown, sunrise. Oh, set, that's it. Sunset. Those are different ways to say the sun is up or down. We're going to use up and down because that you already know up and down. So everyone say sun up. Very good. That means morning. Or you can say sundown. Very good. That means evening. I can say, I will meet you at sundown. Very good. I will meet you. At sundown. Very good. Okay? And I need to finish. Say it with me. Say, I need to. Very good. Finish my homework. My homework. My homework. Okay. At sun up. Yeah, because that's school. Say sun up. Very good. Sun up, sundown, sunrise, sunset. Very good, everyone. And in case if you're wondering, when the sun is at the highest point, we call that high noon. Well, it's also officially called solar noon, but in the movies we say high noon. That is when the cowboys, they come together and they say, hold up 1 second. Very good, just like that. Let me take it away. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, wah, wah. Can you do that? Okay. It's when the cowboys, they will face back to back. And then they take 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, and draw, go boom, 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 right? At what time? Everyone say high noon. Very good. High noon. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah. Wow. Little Jordan, think fast. Ah? Wow. Oh, I missed. You're lucky today, but next time, you won't be so lucky. Oh, yeah? Yeah. Holy junk, it's a circle! Circle, circle, circle! Oh my gosh, it's a ball! It's a ball! It's a Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball Z. Alright, so do you guys like to bowl and go bowling? Well, today I have a special treat for you. Today we're gonna go bowling. Now, this is my little kitchen area thing, so a lot of cleaning supplies here, but that's not the point. The point is the bowling. All right, here as you can see I have the bowling pins. Let me angle this down. There we go. All right, and I'm going to bounce and we're gonna see, can I knock down the pins? 3, 2, 1, go. Almost. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you beat Teacher Jordan? Okay, it's round 2. Can you beat Teacher Jordan? 3, 2, 1, go. Ah! Oh man, I got the same number. Alright, can you beat me? Alright, last time. Oh no, why am I over here? Oh, yeah! Wait, what? What? There's still 2. Why? Alright, I got 4 every time. Can you beat Teacher Jordan? Can you get 6? Alright, we've... What? Oh. Alright, that's about our time for today. We were going to do some more with learning some animals in sign, as well as how to make a fortune thing or a paper football, but it looks like we're gonna have to do that tomorrow. So for today, that's what we have. There we go, some bowling. See if you can bowl. All right, Teacher Jordan signing out. Oh wait, got a little itch, itchy. My hair is getting so long, isn't it? Long.